How y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. And it's been cold here the past week or so. But we got us a pretty day today. And I wasn't about to demonstrate this thing that was sent to me from Banggood. That's Banggood, B-A-N-G-G-O-O-D. I like it. Anyway, Banggood sent this to me to do a unboxing and a review for you all. Let's see what we got hiding in here. Come on! There. Woo! Another box. I trust y'all been doing all right. Ooh. It's pretty. Uh-oh. It's got parts. All kinds of parts. The brand name on this is Topshak. T-O-P-S-A or S-H-A-K. T-O-P-S-H-A-K. Topshak. Like Top Shark, but without the R. Good long cord on it. Another box. That might be a spacer. I've had a lot of stuff sent to me and they'll put an empty box in it just to act as a spacer. By Jove, I think that's got it. Okay. Instructions. We don't need no cheesy instructions. We're just going to double check, make sure there ain't nothing in there. Isn't that something? They sent a box in a box in a box. Okay. By golly, you can see that from a mile away. That thing's orange. Boy, all kinds of goodies in here. There's the instructions. I think PawPaw needs the instructions. There's some little screws. Well, I'm gonna let the camera run, but I'm going to fast forward all this. So it comes with this little wire that you use to clean the tips out. Okay. Well, how about that? It tells me in 6 different languages, a bunch of safety procedures, where to put soap and the different nozzles, and how to turn it on. Huh. Well, so much for the stinky instructions. Maybe that's why they have us do these reviews, because they don't know how to write instructions in English. I don't know. I'm not impressed. Okay, there were 5 screws to put this all together. There are 5 different tips and 4 storage places, so keep one in your gun all the time. That in there is plastic. I don't like that. Well, if nothing else happened, at least I got a long ass extension cord. That is a long cord on that thing. It's got a soap bottle that you can put car wash soap in if you want to. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to demonstrate the sprayer itself. So, let's see if it'll rinse off this car. You really got to baby this hose. You really got to baby this hose right here. water cleaning hose. It says 3045 PSI. I don't believe it for a minute. It's too soft and easy to kink. But if they say it is, it is. Alright. I'm gonna try all these tips. I don't know what all they do. So that was the white one. That's a nice wide one. Now here's the black one. This one might be the one you use to apply soap. Yeah. Try the red one. That's a real fine tip, it's a real strong stream. Not a spray, it's a stream. Okay, here's one a little wider. Well, alright, there we go. Now that I've used it, what do I think of it? Well, this hose right here gives me a reason to be concerned. When it's not pressurized, it's really soft, and I was afraid I was going to kink it just unwrapping it. But pressurized, it feels okay. It's alright. Now, I'm not at all impressed with the little fitting they sent for us to put our hose on. So it's leaking like a sieve. And I'm really apprehensive about that plastic pipe thread that's down there to screw the hose onto. So that's a weak spot in the design of this. They did put metal on the connector to go to this line just because they knew it'd be under pressure. I would like to see that have, instead of plastic, to have the metal on it, but it's okay. But I still have no freaking idea what that crank is for. What that spool is for. I mean, I know I know what you use them for, but I don't know what it's supposed to be used for on here. Is it supposed to be this hose? Am I supposed to take this hose off this gun and all that, store it? Am I supposed to wrap up my extension cord? I don't know. Whatever. Well, folks, this has been another PawPaw review. I won't be doing too many more. Once I get all the reviews done that companies have sent me stuff, that's going to be the end of it. I'm not going to do any more. But, you know, I took their products. They sent me their products. And I told them I'd do a review, so I will. So y'all bear with me. And once we get done with all them, then we'll be getting back and doing some more stuff. Alright. Well, folks, if you're in the market for a little pressure washer, I will tell you, it feels more powerful than the one I got at Harbor Freight, if that tells you anything. What I ended up doing was I took that long cord and I folded it in half, and then at the fold I stuck it inside the spool and then wound it up. So that's how I got the cord on there. And like I said, it seems to be more powerful than the one from Harbor Freight. So if you're interested in one, they're not too expensive. Get you one from Topshak. The link will be in the description box. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.